If you don't like the stress of forgetting passwords but still love using Facebook, then this tutorial is your new BFF. Stick with me, and we'll find that password in no time. First, let's check your iPhone's built-in password manager. Open Settings, scroll to Passwords, and unlock with Face ID or your passcode. Now search for Facebook. If you see it, tap the entry, and your password is right there, hidden until you give it the magic tap. Running iOS 18, there's now a Passwords app. Open it, unlock, and search for Facebook. Easy, right? If you use Google Chrome, open the app, tap your profile picture, go to Password Manager, and search for Facebook. Tap the eye icon to reveal your password. Still can't find it? Time for a reset. On the Facebook app, tap Forgot Password, follow the prompts, and set a shiny new password. Remember, always use legit methods, never sketchy apps. And hey, save your new password so you won't have to do this dance again.